Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Shatafa bathroom is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked fixtures in any modern home, transforming a mundane necessity into an experience of comfort and hygiene. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes a Shatafa truly stand out, exploring its innovative features, elegant designs, and the subtle yet significant impact it can have on your daily routine, ensuring you make an informed choice for your personal sanctuary. Number 5. LUXE Bidet NEO 120. Experience the ultimate value with our bidet attachment. Its sleek design and high-quality parts, including metal ceramic core valves and steel hoses, will elevate your bathroom's look and feel. Enjoy a sanitary experience with our innovative nozzle guard. It automatically retracts after each use, ensuring protection and cleanliness until your next wash. Transform your bathroom with a touch of luxury. Installation is a breeze, as all necessary parts and tools are included for quick setup on any standard toilet. Reduce your spending on toilet paper and help the environment. Gentle cleaning with this bidet is kind to your skin and sustainable for the planet. We stand by our product with a world-class customer care team ready to assist you. Register online for an extended warranty and enjoy peace of mind. What we like? This bidet offers a great value with its durable construction and hygienic nozzle protection. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable upgrade to your bathroom that saves money and is gentle on the skin, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a basic, effective bidet experience without any fuss. What people say. The bidet sprayer is made of stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. It comes with a holder that can be mounted on the wall or placed on the tank, offering flexible installation options. The sprayer has a powerful water stream that effectively cleans, and the adjustable pressure allows for a comfortable experience. Number 4. LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Dual Nozzle Bidet Attachment. Experience 2 distinct wash modes. The rear wash provides a stronger stream, while the feminine wash offers a gentler flow, perfect for monthly cycles or new mothers. Our innovative guard gate shields the nozzles, ensuring a sanitary experience. They automatically retract after each use, staying protected until you need them again. Enjoy a sleek design and high-quality construction that elevates your bathroom. It features durable metal ceramic core valves and steel hoses for lasting performance. Upgrading your bathroom is simple. All necessary parts and tools are included for a quick and easy installation on any standard two-piece toilet. We stand by our product with a world-class customer care team ready to assist you. Register online for an extended warranty and peace of mind. What we like? Experience a more comprehensive clean with its dual nozzle system, offering both rear and feminine washes. This is ideal for new or expecting mothers, or anyone seeking enhanced hygiene during monthly cycles. If you desire a more personalized and thorough cleansing experience, this bidet is the one for you. What people say. NEO 185 was not a strange items in my hour. I had 4 bathrooms all installed NEO 185 and my family has been using for 5 years plus. The hardware provided is top quality, and in fact, I am not a fan of over-tightening things that have good rubber gaskets as these fittings have. I only did everything hand tight and then an extra 1/4 turn, and the system is not leaking anywhere and works perfectly. Installation is straightforward since it only connects to cold water, and it doesn't leak as long as everything is tightened correctly. Number 3. Purrfectzone Bidet Sprayer Kit. Tired of wasting money on toilet paper and wipes that can clog your toilet? Our handheld bidet sprayer set offers a refreshing and effective cleanse for optimal personal hygiene. This versatile sprayer kit is perfect for more than just personal hygiene. It's also great for cleaning cloth diapers, grooming pets, tidying up your bathroom, and for postpartum care. You can easily adjust the water pressure to suit your needs. Choose a gentle spray for personal care or a powerful jet blast to tackle tough stains. Installation is a breeze and requires no special tools or professional help. The kit includes everything you need and clear instructions for a hassle-free setup. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this sprayer is built to last. Enjoy a reliable and hygienic cleaning experience for years to come. What we like? This handheld bidet sprayer offers incredible versatility beyond personal hygiene, making it perfect for cleaning cloth diapers, pet grooming, or general bathroom cleanup. If you appreciate the flexibility of a spray wand and need a solution for various household tasks, this is a practical and cost-effective option. Its adjustable water flow ensures you can tackle everything from gentle cleansing to tough stains. What people say. The sprayer works well and the pressure is strong. I can keep it gentle for normal use, but it also gets powerful enough for cleaning the toilet or rinsing things out. The handle feels solid and the hose does not feel cheap. I especially love the small lever that lets you control water pressure with precision. Installation was a breeze, everything you need is included, and I got it done with just a pair of pliers. The build quality feels solid and durable, with no leaks after installation. Water pressure is easy to control and strong enough for effective cleaning without being harsh. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes with the included hardware. Number 2. LUXE Bidet NEO 110. Experience the ultimate value with our bidet attachment. Its sleek design and high-quality parts, including metal ceramic core valves and steel hoses, will elevate your bathroom's look and feel. Enjoy a sanitary experience thanks to the innovative guard gate. The nozzles automatically retract after each use, ensuring they remain protected until your next wash. Upgrading your home with a touch of luxury is simple. It easily attaches to any standard two-piece toilet and includes all necessary parts and tools for a quick installation. Reduce your spending on toilet paper and help the environment. Cleaning with this bidet is gentle on your skin and a sustainable choice for the planet. We are committed to your satisfaction with our world-class customer care team. Register online for an extended warranty and enjoy peace of mind with our support. What we like. This non-electric bidet attachment provides a simple yet effective way to enhance your bathroom hygiene and save on toilet paper. If you're seeking an easy-to-install upgrade that offers adjustable water pressure for a comfortable clean, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want a basic, budget-friendly bidet solution. What people say. The bidet does an excellent job of cleaning, and it is not rough and abrasive in the way that toilet paper is. The nozzle is not exposed when not in use, which avoids contamination. It seems to be well made, the controls are accessible and easy to use, yet not in the way, and there were no surprise annoyances that revealed themselves when I started using it. Number 1. LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Plus. Discover the LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Plus, a revolutionary dual-nozzle bidet attachment designed for your comfort and hygiene. Experience a cleaner, fresher feeling with every use. This bidet attachment boasts a sleek, modern, and compact design that complements any bathroom aesthetic. It features ergonomic knobs for intuitive control and improved water pressure adjustment. Choose from 4 elegant finishes, white, chrome, gold, and rose gold, to perfectly match your existing bathroom fixtures. Its low-profile design ensures a seamless integration with your toilet seat. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with its patented slide-in installation system. It's designed for a secure fit and easy maintenance, including a 360-degree self-cleaning feature for the nozzles. Experience versatile cleaning with dedicated nozzles for both feminine and rear washing. The Easy Lift feature makes cleaning the bidet itself a breeze. Rest assured with our comprehensive 18-month manufacturer's warranty. You can even extend it to 2 years by simply registering your product on our website. What we like. This advanced bidet attachment boasts a patented easy installation and a 360-degree self-cleaning function for ultimate convenience and hygiene. If you're looking for a sleek, modern design with improved controls and a hassle-free setup, this is the premium choice. It's perfect for those who value cutting-edge features and a sophisticated aesthetic in their bathroom. What people say. The wash feature cleans the gate that protects the nozzle. It's incredibly easy to install. It's packaged beautifully and comes with simple directions and a QR code if you want to watch the video. This bidet works great, water pressure is terrific, it's very slim so it doesn't disrupt the way your toilet seat sits, but does come with spacers, just in case, and the feature of being able to lift it to clean underneath and sanitize the unit itself is just outstanding. The 185 limits the pressure to pretty much to the perfect level of intensity, even with the valve fully open. The mounting system is far improved with the hinge design, which allows easier installation and positioning of the spray nozzle aim. The hinge design adds the welcomed feature of the entire unit tiling up for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.